Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions and eliminating locks. Check your user rights. If you lack write access, request or elevate to admin. Once done, close programs that might hold files. Use Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS to force close. Also identify location, local, external, or cloud because the path dictates fixes. Make sure to pause sync clients. They can lock a folder. Now move to the deeper checks and corrective commands. You now change ownership and repair errors. On Windows, use iCackles to grant full control, for example. iCackles C /path/ grant your user F/T. On Mac OS or Linux, use sudo chown ru group/path. Once ownership is set, run disk utilities, chkdsk/f on Windows or first aid in disk utility to fix corruption. Make sure to stop antivirus or security tools while testing access. They often quarantine or block folders. You finish by validating and, if necessary, restoring. Open the folder, create a test file, and confirm you can read, write, and delete. If corruption persists, restore the folder from backup or run recovery tools before overriding current data. Once fixed, re-enable security software and restart sync clients. If you still can't use this folder, boot in safe mode or attach the drive to another computer to isolate OS versus hardware issues. Quick tip: keep a recent backup to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.